Take me back to school. Jam Roly Poly and custard. Fantastic. Hi guys, how you all doing? Welcome to Backyard Chef. I'm Rick. Just kidding guys, just kidding. Remember the days? School bell, out for lunch, Jam Roly Poly. Absolutely delicious, simple to make. Let's show you how to do it. Okay guys, a quick run through the ingredients then. Self-raising flour, milk, suet, sugar, and our homemade strawberry jam. Now you can use raspberry jam if you want, but I'm using strawberry jam because we made 14 jars the other day. So that's our ingredients guys. Let's show you how to make the Jam Roly Poly. Okay guys, in the bowl, self-raising flour, suet, sugar. Now just give this a quick little mix, okay, before we add our milk. And then this is a little bit incorporated before the milk goes in. And then in with our milk. And that's it guys. All we need to do now is cut this in nice and gently until we get a sticky mess. And that is one stodgy, sticky mess. So what we'll do now guys, we'll just flour up our work surface and tip this onto the work surface. So a little bit of our self-raising flour on there. And then we want to tip out our stodgy mess. And then all we're going to do is we're going to give it a little bit of a kneading with a little bit of flour as we go along. Right guys, what we're going to do, we're leaving a bit more of a border at that end and we're going to roll this way, and you'll see why, because what will happen is that the jam will squish up as we go along. So all we need to do is start rolling. Can you see the jam is already going up that way? Now the jam there, we don't want that. So just scrape it out. So what we got, guys, we got some parchment paper and some tin foil. And what we need to do is really grease this parchment paper. So get a bit of butter and give it a good greasing. Okay. And then all we need to do now is put our log on there. So what we're going to do now, guys, we're going to bring up our tin foil and paper. Now we are not going to wrap this too tight. So now this will expand inside. So just fold up the ends. I'll scrunch up the ends, and that is our parcel made, and you can see there's enough room in there for it to expand. Okay guys, what we're going to do, we've got a tin, we're going to put a wire rack on top, and then we're going to fill this inside with boiling water. And then what we're going to do is put our pudding on top. So there we go, guys, we've got a tray, we're going to tip water in here, we're going to put the trivet on there, or this wire rack on here, and then we're going to put our pudding directly on that and then put that in the oven. I'm going to fill this with water down at the oven because obviously to fill it with boiling water and to take it to the oven is too dangerous, okay? So we'll do it down at the oven. Oh, there we go. Roly poly. Now we should leave it about 5 minutes before we open it, but I can't wait. Whew. That is really, really hot, guys. Really, really, really hot. Oh, we got some stuck here, but not to worry. Oh, just look at that. Oh, absolutely amazing. Just like school time. Let's just rip that off there, I think. Spin that round. Whew. Oh, that's hot. Oh. Amazing. Absolutely amazing. Now I love the end, but hot. For presentation, we need to have a look in there. Wow. So what we need to do is cut ourselves about a 2-inch slice. Oh, just look at that. Oh, Gonna have to dig in. Oh. Oh, amazing. Guys, you know, absolutely delicious. It just makes you wonder what's happened to school dinners these days, because this is wholesome, comforting food, delicious. Now guys, if you like what we're doing and you'd like to subscribe, that'd be absolutely amazing. Till next time, keep safe.